said in my review of this game, we are going to be doing a Let's Play. Because, of course, I'm a Let's Player. Da-da, whatever. So, how about we begin the game now, instead of jacking around like a piece of crap. So, here we go. Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Get rid of those lines right there. Hold on. Have to position the scene, of course. It doesn't look that very good. Okay, there we go. Sorry, guys. I could have done that in the editing. I'm too lazy. So, as I did in my review, I played on this. So, how about we go back in and play the first part. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So, I'd really love to unlock Super Mario Brothers 2 in this game and play that for you guys. I'm still trying to get around the buttons. Oh, come on. Yay! Ah. Wee. I gotta go really slow and just smash this. Wee. Beep, 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 beep. I don't care about my score. For some reason, I found this game tough to me. And no, I'm not gonna be using the secret passages like the one above, like this level that leads to like 4, 3, and 2 of world. I want more score. Yay. 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 Die. Oh, Goomba! Here's your mail, by the way. It's fireballs. Oh, wait. Goomba! Add to. Oh my god! Surprise! Oh, stop surprising me. I don't like surprises. I'll hit you in the face. Sick today. Wee! Wee! Woo! Ah, dang it. I always found that part tough. For some reason. Now I can run again without having to like stop and shoot fireballs and then run again and shoot a fireball. Really hate that. Oh! Oh! Oh, frick! You see, I suck at this game. That's what you see. The strange thing is that if you go next to a pipe with a piranha plant in it, the piranha plant will never pop up until you go away. So there's a little glitch I found. You just stand beside the pipe and the piranha plant's like, oh god, I'm not going out there. And... Ha. Ha. See ya. I am such a pro. Nope. God dang it! It's hard to control with these slippery controls on here. For some reason. Well, I say it's slippery. You say it's not. Get in or get out. Oh, I forgot to do that in my review. I just remembered those banners that you had in the game. Well, I forgot that. Well, that's probably because I'm lazy and forget about everything. Yeah. Oh, did it? Boom, 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 boom. I'll play this until it gets to like the almost the 15th. Really? May get a game over. We will never know. Ooh, scary. What is that? Oh! I didn't know you were there. Nor did I know you were there. Surprise! Out of the skies. Wee. Okay. Most of the time it's like, is this a dead end? Really? Really? There! Dang it. I will survive this level. Look, that Goomba just suicided. He's very suicidal, yay. Ah, the Koopas are smart. Come here. Ah, there you go. Game over. I suck at this game. Oh, I love this music. So relaxing. Don't care. Yes. Oh. Well, that was easy. I'm suicidal! Yeah, now I'm just doing it on purpose, probably. That's what you think. Surprise! Surprise! Wee. Leap of faith! Wee! Wee! Goombas are suicidal, that's a fact. Really? Wow. Wow. Ugh. I suck at this game. Really do. Fact. Oop. Ah! Dang it. It sucks so much. Yes. Yes. Whatever you say. Come on. Boom. I'm not even gonna pounce on you. You just go kill yourself. That's what you do. And it's so hard to get around the controls for some reason. Don't believe this is on the GBA. And you shouldn't believe it's on the GBA. You shouldn't. Really, it's not. So that's probably why I'm sucking. Bloop! Bloop! Wee! Can't even get through World /3. That's a great record. Really? A stupid Koopa! Frick! Let the Koopa get through. Come on. You're wasting my time. There we go. Okay. Ah. Yay! Wee! No bloom. I don't see no bloom. Ah, dang it! Only got one life to do this. Dang it! I suck so much. I only got like 5 minutes left for the video. Yeah. Continue. Gonna make it through yellow. You know what? I'm just gonna be patient in this level. Oh! Really? I died in the same place. I suck so bad. See? Now. No! No! Dang it. See, I'm sucking. This is only 1/4. Probably wasting your guys' time. Sorry, peoples who are watching this. Oh! Oh, frick. Atari 2600 sounds. Look at that! Atari 2600 sounds are trying to kill me. Listen. It's amazing. Thanks. Really? 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 I mean, did you hear that? Atari 2600 sounds are hunting for me. Stop hunting me down, Atari 2600 sounds. I mean, really, those Atari 2600 sounds are trying to kill me. That's really, really dumb. Really? Really? Oh, I wasn't even paying attention. I wasn't even paying attention at all. Let this go through. Jump here, here. Whoop. 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 Really? Stupid. I am stupid. Really? I'm gonna put this game down. Probably. That's also because I'm at the 13-minute mark. I only have 15 minutes. I only have like 3 more minutes to do this video. Ah! Atari 2600 sounds! Stop hunting me down! Stupid! No! Bowser jumps at the same time as me. Really? Yes. Don't make me have to finish this in the second video. I only got like 1 more minute. Oh god. Oh. Stop, Atari 2600 sounds. Okay, see you later, guys. Yeah, I'm already at the 14-minute mark. This video is probably gonna end. Well, see you later, guys. I'm gonna save right here. Bye-bye.